All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're going to transition from our class into our mathematics class. Let me go ahead and remind you of our expectations. Conversation voice level will be at 1 or 2. 1 if you're speaking to your partner, 2 if you're speaking to your teacher. Also, if you need help, raise your hand. If right now we're going to have whole group and then we're going to transition into small group. Also, if you need movement, what should you do?
Raise your hand.
All right, and we should all participate so we can all be successful. So in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the very same standard that we looked at yesterday. Our standard is going to be NBT 1.2, and that is going to be fluently add and subtract within 1000s using strategies and algorithms based on place value, properties of operations, and other relationships between addition and subtraction. So let's take a little time to focus on our key words in here. Firstly, we've heard a few of them before, haven't we? Yesterday we heard about place value. We spoke about place value and the places that numbers play when you're looking at an equation. So for instance, if we have a number like 1000, this 0 right here at the end, what place does it hold? Ones, tens, hundreds, or thousands? Raise your hands if you know. Yes, Stephanie?
Ones.
It plays?
One.
Very good. So it does play ones. Also, we have words like addition, subtraction. Yesterday we looked at addition, right? Right.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Now today I also want you to take a look at the word all together. Say it with me.
All
together. I want you to think about this word. Every time you see the word all together in an equation, I want you to think plus. Every time you see the word, what will you think?
Plus.
All right, we're thinking of addition. So let's take a look at this equation. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right. So just so you know, today we're going to be looking at content number sense, just like we did yesterday. In today's lesson, I will be giving you a piece of paper and a pencil, and you will solve your equation, and also you will be solving this equation at 100% accuracy. Did you guys hear me?
Yes.
All right. Also, today you will be given written equations, and you will be responsible for identifying the key vocabulary to solve the equations with 80 to 90% accuracy. Did you guys hear?
Yes.
Everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay. So for today's lesson, let's listen to the first equation. It says, Jack bought 120 sweets. How many sweets did he buy?
120.
120.
20.
Okay. On Monday, he bought 130 more sweets on Tuesday. How many more did he buy on Tuesday?
130.
130.
30.
Aaron, you need to get serious.
I thought he.
All right. How many sweets did Jack buy? Or how many sweets did Jack have all together? So now we're seeing this word again, right?
Yes.
Every time we see the word all together, what should we think?
Addition.
Addition. Very good. Now, what is happening in this equation?
Addition.
Addition.
Explain to
You
me
bought
how.
120, the next day you bought 130, the total of that adding together.
Mm-mm.
No?
Let's do it together. We don't want to just say the answer. We have to work it out, right?
Yes.
Right.
All right. So let's see how it works out. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Follow along with me. We have how many on Monday?
120.
120 plus how
100.
many did he have on Tuesday?
130.
130. We're going to go ahead and add these numbers. Let's see. 0 plus 0, what is the answer?
0.
All right. What is 2 plus 3?
5.
5. Now, did you realize that I went from this section to this one?
Yes.
Yes.
Did I just jump from the 0 all the way to the hundreds?
No.
We have to ensure that we're keeping our place value, right?
Yes.
All right. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
2. So our answer is
250.
250. Very good. So I know you guys can do this. So now I'm going to you're going to show me. You're going to demonstrate by solving these equations. I am going to present two equations on the board, number 1 and number 2. I want you guys to get into groups of 3s and 4s. You're going to solve this equation with help from each other. I will be walking around, so if you need help, what should you do?
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand. I'll be more than glad to help you. And also, as you're solving your equations, I want you to use your key vocabulary, such as altogether, and addition and subtraction. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Please go ahead and solve these equations. 3 and 2. You can work together to get them done. I'm also going to project those on the board.
75 miles.
Okay.
All right, and we can do the math together. 360 miles in June, 370 miles in July. How many miles did we run together? So keeping the place value, 5 plus 0 is 5,
5,
and 7 plus 6.
13, put down
Put the 3,
3,
carry
carry
1 to the next place
1,
value. 3 plus 3 is what?
6, plus
another
1
one?
is 7.
You were at 370, 735 miles, I'm sorry. Altogether, that's the total.
Yeah, do this one.
Okay.
You're
Oh,
right.
there's different ones.
We'll do it together.
Alright.
Yes,
My
you
hand
should.
in the
You
camera.
guys should work together.
A shoe store sold 236. Right like that. Pairs of shoes in August. And 317 pairs of shoes in September. How many shoes did they sell? Keyword altogether.
Very
Shoes
good,
addition.
Aaron.
So place value 7 plus 6 is what?
13,
Put 3 down, we can carry the 1 in the next place value column. 2 plus 1 plus 1.
5,
Put that down. 3 plus 2.
Very good,
5.
Stephanie. Very good, Stephanie. You guys are working
553
together.
shoes together.
All
They're
right.
together.
Very good, guys. You guys work very well together. So, just one question. What place does this number 5 have in this question?
10s,
Tens. Very good, Stephanie. Did you hear what she said, Aaron?
10s.
Tens. Remember, ones, tens, hundreds. All right, so now we're going to have you guys work together as a group to solve one more question. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I want you guys to use your strategies to solve this question, and then you're going to have to present and explain to me how you came about with the answer. Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right. Here you go. Remember, you can work together.
Alright.
Oh, my apologies. You have 5 minutes to solve this question. 5 minutes.
Danny picked 400
If you need help, I'm walking around.
on his farm in March, and then he picks
961.
547 apples in April. Yeah, but how did you get that? Let's find out.
I added the place values because all together means addition.
Okay, so 7 plus
Very
3.
good, Stephanie.
Okay, so what's the total answer then?
Put down a 0, carry the 1,
No, right. Okay. Alright.
then 6,
Okay.
then 9.
So the total 960 apples.
Very good. All right, can you guys explain to me, can you stand and explain to me, at least one of you needs to stand and explain to me how you got your answer?
We added 413 apples in March with the 547 apples in April. We put them all together and we got 960 apples total.
Very good. I like the fact that you use the words all together and addition. Very good, Aaron.
Thank you.
All right, class, now we're going to go ahead and break apart. We're going to go into our small group rotation. Oh, my apologies. We're going to go ahead and solve our CFU. We are going to do that in our small group rotation. You're going to have a chance to solve this by yourself, individually. Do you get to work with your friends?
No.
No, you have to solve it individually. During our small groups, you're going to be working by yourself in your different sections. Aaron, you're going to work with our addition cards. Stephanie, you'll work with our iReady mathematics on the computer. Any questions?
No.
No.
All right, let me see you guys solving your CFUs together. Please do not share your answers. You are working individually. Oh, my apologies, Stephanie. You didn't have a pencil? Here you go. Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Be sure to write your names and the date on your paper so I know who you are.
That's Thursday, that's Tuesday,
Today's the 6th. Thank you. Alright, go ahead and get into your groups quietly. Don't interrupt the rest of the students. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, Aaron. Let's see how you're doing in your small group. Okay. Okay, very good, Aaron.
This one.
Just a second from here, let's just go to my one here. Liquid picks 412 apples of his farm in which in March and 576 in April. How many apples did David pick altogether? How many did he pick altogether?
988.
Okay, let's try and make it out tonight, okay? Let's just call this. See how we have 412. And that's going to be plus this one here, 576. Right? Alright, let's look together this. Plus.
So we're gonna add it together. So to make it easy and work the problem out, I'm gonna start by taking the 6 and adding it with the 2.
Okay.
And then I got my 8. And then I went to the next column and I said 7 plus 1 is 8. So I put an 8. And then the final column is 5 plus 4. And once I added that together, it's 9. And I knew that because usually 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 plus 4 was 9. And I got 988.
Very good, Aaron. Now look at this. What place does this one have?
That's 1.
Okay, what's this place?
That's 10th.
Okay, and this one.
That's 100.
Very good, Aaron.
And then if there was another number, that would be the thousandth spot.
But there isn't another
There's not
number.
another number.
So let's see.
And then this equation, I was having trouble with.
So let's see. What's 6 plus 9?
15
Okay, so you're going to put the 5 where?
down here.
Can you see? Very good. And what do you put the 1?
I put it into the next column.
Alright, very good. So, right on top of the 6.
And then 7,
Because 6 plus 1.
7. And then this one is 7 as well. So 775.
Very good.
Then so these other ones. This would be 7 and then 5. And 10. So that's the thousands.
Okay, very good, Aaron.
Right there.
Let's do this one, let's see.
That's that. That's 9. So on, so
I'll be right back, okay? Just raise your hand if you need me.
okay.